Oh, just one. So that was cool. I tore a ligament. I dislocated my shoulder. I have 2 scars on my back. And it was worth every minute.